1/8 scale monster truck. This one's by Team Associated and is called the Rival. They're getting pretty popular. I see a couple of videos on YouTube and they caught my attention. And so I wanted to get one. I didn't get one new because I saw one on Craigslist. And this one has some decent upgrades, so I bought this one instead. Came with 2 batteries. It came with the DX3R because it's programmable and I like that. It's an older version, but it's really good. It came with 2 bodies, one here and then the police body over there. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Yeah, like I said, when I purchased this, it had some decent upgrades. The shocks, I believe he changed out the bumper. The arms were changed out, and I believe the ESC as well. The ESC is a Team Orion Vortex. This is a good ESC. It's an R8, and it's a 220 kV, 2 to 6 cells. I'm only going to use a 4 cell though. You know why? Because this motor is a Teken Redline T8. And you know what's good about this motor? It's a 2000 kV, very high kV. So on a 4 cell, this thing should scream. Aftermarket tires. Let's put the police body on and see what it looks like. It's ready to run, so let's take it to the field. I'm going to go to the same field I normally go to. It's a combination of dirt, grass, and cement. Very big parking lot. I like running there, test out my vehicles. So let's go there and see how it runs. I'm going to put the police body on first. Probably give it a run for like 5 minutes, and then I'll put on the original body. All right, guys, let's do this. It runs pretty good. Not bad little monster truck. I don't usually buy trucks this small. It's a little bit modified. The ESC can handle a 6L. I think it's an Orion ESC. And I'm just using a 4 cell right now. Seems pretty fast on a 4 cell. Don't think I want to use a 6L on this little thing. Thing starts breaking when you go maximum. All right, let's put the other body on and see what that looks like. I got about 5 minutes left, so we're gonna switch bodies and see what the actual original truck body looks like. Okay, battery's dead.